body's been there?
No idea at this time.
Do we know if any missing persons reported in the past couple of days that may be the person deceased here?
I'm not sure of any missing person reports that are related to this or anything like that, but you know, generally every day there's missing persons reports filed, various runaways and people that don't come home on time, things of that nature. But anything related to this specifically, none that we know of at this time.
Do we know the race of the person?
We do, but we can't release that information just yet.
And also Travis County EMS said that he was in his 30s. You can't confirm?
I can't release that information on my end. If that's something that they release to you, then that's something they release to you, but I can't release anything like that.
Go ahead.
So what's happening now? What are the next few steps that you guys do to try to find that person, identify them?
Right now we're gonna, once the medical examiner picks up the deceased subject, attempts will be made to identify them either through any kind of identification found on the person or through fingerprints or any kind of medical records through there.
So what are you guys doing for, I guess, how long will this be closed off and what are you guys doing right now?
Right now the medical examiner is on scene doing their portion of the investigation. And as far as the time frame, I can't really give that out right now. It's all dependent upon what they find over there.
Are you investigating this as it was suspicious, just to be safe?
There's nothing suspicious that stands out at this time, but any time a deceased person is found out in public or otherwise, we do investigate that.
So homicide was called out just as a precautionary measure?
Just as a standard measure, we call it homicide.
Was the person wearing any kind of safety life jacket or any sort of gear?
I can't release that information just yet.
Appreciate it.